This Isuzu Trooper faces a tough challenge, a wrong position of 4JX1 engine main bearing cap. Let's uncover the causes and solutions. Stay tuned as we explore the issue and work with skilled mechanics to revive this resilient vehicle. Subscribe for updates on our channel and this video. In our video, the initial plan was to start by flushing the oil, but we've already begun dismantling the transmission to save time. If you're interested in having your Isuzu Trooper repaired by us, feel free to contact us through our Facebook page. We'll be more than happy to assist you with any inquiries or schedule a service appointment. Looking forward to helping you get back on the road smoothly. Back to the topic. After oil flushing, we dive into Isuzu Trooper transmission dismantling. Remove external components. Detach pan, brackets, and connectors. Drain fluid completely. Ensure a clean disassembly by draining fluid. Disconnect drive shafts. Unbolt and detach. Unbolt torque converter. For autos, unbolt the converter. Remove transmission mounts. Unbolt and enhance accessibility. Secure transmission. Safely support using a jack or stand. Internal disassembly. Unbolt sections, exposing components. Transmission removed. Now that the transmission's out, let's remove the 4JX1 engine to see the main bearing cap. We're digging in, finding the issues, and fixing them up. Get ready for a closer look at engine magic. Subscribe for all the fix-it fun. After removing the 4JX1 engine, pinpoint common issues like fuel system problems, overheating, and component wear. Check the turbocharger, injectors, and coolant system for potential troubles. Explore online communities for insights on prevalent 4JX1 engine issues and recommended solutions. Address these concerns comprehensively to ensure a successful Isuzu Trooper restoration. But there is no sign, so we opened the 4JX1 engine to check the inside and found out this.
Kaya natin siya binababa ang makina. Ito, mali yung posisyon nung lintik na main bearing cap. Yan. Ito, ginawa namin ng paraan noon, binutas namin yan para, binutas namin yan para matanggal sana siya, kaso hindi pa rin siya maalis. Hindi namin may position ngayon. Yan yung cause kaya nagdi-delay ang lubrication. Nagkaroon siya ng maliit na scratches doon. Possible, gumalaw yung sigunyal. Nagkaroon siya ng movement sideways. Ayan. Pwede nga nag-cause yan, yung baliktad na cap or thrust washer. Makikita natin pagkabukas natin yan. Kaya, pinutas namin yan dati. Nung hindi na ba yung makina. Sinusolusyonan namin. Pero hindi pa rin uubra. Ayaw maalis nito. Makikita niyo yung improvement niyan ngayon. washer. Palit tayo ng truss washer.